Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. And in the toolbox today is this Workzone Ratchet Wrench Set. Quite a useful little set I've found. We have a few sizes. It's obviously missing one because that's why it's 30% off, but I got given this back at Christmas in my Christmas tool haul video. Quite a while ago now. It's already April. It's scary. So we now have this lovely little set. So the set we have here has a 10 and a 12, and then an 11 and a 13, and then a 14 and a 17, and then a 19 and a 21. I will put a bit of footage of this in action, be in the next clip you see. And here's the 10mm Ratchet Wrench in action on an upcoming video that you'll see soon. As you can see, it's quite good for getting these fasteners loose in this really relatively tight spot. Here's a bit of a closer look at this ratchet wrench itself. So as you can see, this is the 14 and 17. It's double-sided. It's also got this lovely little reversing click. One thing I do like about these is that you can reverse them in either which way. So for instance, if you wanted to untighten something this way, but then you needed to flip it over for some reason, you could also tighten that way, and then if you flip the switch, it reverses it. Quite a handy little thing. I prepared this tiny little demonstration for you. So here's a bolt in this 17mm, and then pop this on. So click it this way. See, nice good ratchet, and then if I flick it this way, we can undo it. I made a picture of that. Not the best ratcheting mechanism, but it's not a terrible one. Usually get you have a pinch. So anyway, back to these. Again, nice, robust, nice open. As you can see there, that's where all the gearing is. It doesn't say how many, they are 16 to 24 teeth, so I'm guessing this would be a 24 tooth one. So they're not the finest ratchets in the world, but again, sometimes when you really want a tight spot, they'll do the job. That's what you need. Let me get one of the bigger ones out so I can show you a bit more of a... It also comes with this holder. It's not a very good holder if I'm honest. Here's the 19 and the 21. These were originally in Aldi, which is a supermarket in the UK, but they've stopped selling them now, so I'm not sure if you'll find them, but they're bound to be similar ones. I will try and link a similar quality and product in the description below if you want to check them out for yourself. But yeah, not bad at all. So yeah, my final thoughts on these ratchet wrench sets. Handy little set to have. Could be useful, could save you in a pinch. For instance, the 12mm on here has been quite handy. The 10mm is extremely good for battery terminals. Especially when you have them ones where the battery terminal is really close. Because of the curve, you can get in there and let me find something just give us a bit more feedback. So you can just get in there and ratchet away. Very handy for those like tight battery terminals. Overall, a useful little tool. I'm glad I've got them. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.